Kuba Muhendro Rapsang baruba polling do habai kran biginong thok bor kilakam bakin poi be chakajing job hadian bagajing thap vote kaladep ya gani kilong hadian bikiladep an thap yaka vote jonki
kajing job da ke margin ke bahaya ke ban pen long route ya itu berkat bagi laban thit ipai ba bagin sungthu ba ipai ba kila ban sya pen bit shisit amberbo ka Shillong Beit kat ni ipai ba kila sya pen bit ka beladep da ke bo jokatika Ndaki ipat ba ndaki vote yung brio dak baki diri ndaki vote ke jongki ka result kalong dak hongpong sansnem tangga jingkru tangga khlam tangga curfew tangga kulmar ti nyebut biang kumno sansnem ban pat kwa biang gaju la bat skor wen kong sha kamdei lada job kedai anda job ndei lada tengah dang jing atatit anda job hangno bat kumlun pedon kami ya ka service ke jongan tabre ka numsong ya tahana ka somru ka dim ka ban yalam ya ka government ke bottom line
kan usi de cara ka europe ka expect mental tinde
ni bu sau khau ngot kan ni penyeng dengan community majority na kita bat la kumno ngimde bantu na artho
I finished my voting. And I'm confident the scenario as a whole is positive in my side. Why I told you that it's positive in my side? Because I've been there with the people for the last 5 years. I've finished all my program as an MLA for the people. I'm confident about it.
But yesterday there were some videos circulating about some candidates distributing money. Have you taken cognizance of this?
Yeah, I've seen in that video that some of the party are distributing money, and you see, they've not been working for the last 5 years, and in the last moment, they want to buy the votes of our people. I don't think that buying of that votes will materialize, will convert into votes. People understand when somebody went and gave money, who won't take that money? But they are there with me because I've been there with them for the last 5 years. So I'm confident in that. Even though they went and buy votes one day ahead of the election, but I'm sure these people will vote for me all.